Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about one of our favorite home decor trends, plants wall decor. Are you looking for a way to transform your living space into a green oasis? Look no further than the plant wall decor trend. This innovative trend brings nature indoors and creates a stunning focal point in any room. Plant wall decor is not only visually appealing but it also has numerous benefits. Plants are natural air purifiers and they can improve the air quality in your home. They also reduce stress and promote relaxation, making your living space a more peaceful environment. Creating a plant wall decor is easier than you may think. All you need is a blank wall and a selection of your favorite plants. Whether you prefer hanging plants, succulents, or ivy, there are endless options to choose from. Plant wall decor can be customized to match your personal style, from minimalist designs to bold, colorful displays. There are endless possibilities to create a plant wall decor that reflects your taste. Taking care of a plant wall decor is easy too. With just a bit of regular watering and maintenance, your plants will thrive and continue to beautify your living space for years to come. Plant wall decor is the perfect way to bring nature indoors and create a serene living space. So why wait? Start creating your own plant wall decor today and transform your home into a peaceful oasis.